I'm going to use my telescopic pole to cane pole fish in this roadside pond here and see what I can get. Roadside drainage pond. How is this? Look at this beautiful sunfish right here. That's a real nice sunfish, man. Look at that one. Beauty right there. It's a nice one. Look at that one. Okay, toss this one back right here. That's a beautiful sunfish right here. I'm gonna let him go right in this clear water here. Look at that one. Nice. Toss him right here. Here he goes. And then there he goes.